Hello everyone and welcome to Google Bard Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to demonstrate the amazing capabilities of Bard, the new AI chatbot from Google. First, we're going to test Bard's ability to recognize patterns. I'm going to give Bard a sequence of numbers. Can you identify the series, Bard? And, as expected, Bard correctly identifies it as the Fibonacci sequence. Not only that, but Bard also gives us a brief description of the sequence. If you want to see more of Bard's capabilities, just check out the View Other Drafts option to see some of the other answers Bard came up with. Let's give thumbs up to the Bard response. Now, let's see how Bard can help us with programming. I'm going to ask Bard to write a program in Python to print the Fibonacci sequence. And just like that, Bard generates the Python code to print the Fibonacci sequence. As you can see, it's a very simple and elegant solution. Bard also generated multiple iterations of the answer, each with its own unique perspective. But, what if we wanted to write the Fibonacci sequence in C++? No problem. Let's ask Bard to write the code for us. Once again, Bard comes through with flying colors, generating the correct code for the Fibonacci sequence in C++. Thank you for watching this demonstration of Google Bard. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Google Bard tutorials.